Hello, this is Eric from UNC Charlotte. Today, I will show you how to enter your class in CS Materials. This is going to be a three-step process, and today I'm only going to show you the first step. The first step consists in creating blank materials for every material in your class. And what we mean by materials, we mean lectures, assignments, exams, handouts, book chapters, anything that really maps to your class. In order to do this, we'll first hit Create Materials on the left bar. You will be presented with this page that will ask you for a title. For a title, we suggest something that identifies you, identifies your institution, identifies your class, and identifies this particular material in your class. Something like this. That will identify my university, the course number, who I am, and which material it is. At this point, hit the Save button. You can change other information on this particular page. You can select what type of material this is. I will select lecture. You can select whether your material will be visible or not. Here, I want my material to be visible by anyone, so we'll set it to public. You can set an upstream URL if you are using somebody else's material, and you can set a description that will be used whenever your material is viewed by yourself or by other people. At that point, you will hit Next. We will not be entering any of this information at this point. On the third page, we will upload the material itself. If you do not wish to upload your material, this is not a necessary step, but it will enable other people to see your material and exactly what you teach in your class. That will upload the material to the system, at which point we are done. We are not going to do any of the other steps on this material, and I will hit Save and View. And then you will do that again for every material in your class. In general, we suggest that you create materials in the order in which you're delivering them to the students.